This week we'll be sorting your pieces by the short I sound and the long I sound. You will also have an oddball word that does not have either the or the I sound. So let's check out our pieces. This is a picture of swim. This is a bride. This is a hill. The number 9. Dive. Smile. This is pointing to the lid. This is a hive. Prize. Fish. Net. Twins. Slide. 5. Pie. Fire. Lips. Now that we know our pieces, let's sort them where they go. Swim, I hear the short I. Bride, I hear the I name, which means it's the long I. Hill, I hear the short I. Dive, I hear the long I say its name. Smile, I hear the long I, again say its name. Twins, I hear the short I sound. 9, I hear the long I. Slide, again the long I sound. Lid has the short I. Fish has the short I. Prize has the long I. 5 has my long I. Net, does not have either the I or the I, so it makes it the oddball. Fire has my long I sound. Lips is my short I. Pie has my long I. Hive has my long I. So in the short I group, we have swim, hill, twins, lid, fish, and lips. In the long I sound, we have bride, dive, slide, 5, hive, smile, 9, prize, fire, and pie. The oddball that doesn't have the I or the I sound is net.